Hello guys, it's Gamer Alpha D. Sorry I haven't uploaded a video since. Well, we're not reacting to no video, but we're just looking at this um video. It says Jeff the Killer sighting. Read description. Alright, publish on what about? Okay. Look, we didn't know about this mysterious guy. Is really Jeff? It looks like him. It looks like him, doesn't it? We just assume it was him because it looks like him. Who knows? It may be just some random guy with a white hoodie. Alright, so this mine stuff. Right. Let's see what happens. This is not a reaction video. Just see if it's really real.
Who does it look like?
Get up. Wait up. Do you guys saw that? Wait, you guys saw that? Like, put the video. Looks like it was a. Wait up. These guys are moving too. You see that? You see that? You see it? 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 It just looks really. It really looks like him. Just look at that. Look at that closely. Take a screenshot and look at that closely.
Come on, Amy. Come on. Oh, God. It's locked. Oh, God. It's locked. It's locked. Come on. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I don't want to die.
Alright, so let's just take all that stuff and let's see, alright? Wait up. Let's just read someone's comments if it can help us. Right. Anyways, I think it's real because, it looks like real. Do you see that? Do you saw that face? It was like black. So, first I thought it was a normal person, but it wasn't. It was a black person. Oh, that's my theory. What if it was a black person, but they couldn't see, the camera couldn't see it well, and it just looks like it looks like Jeff the Killer, but it's not really. That's what I think. Leave your comments, leave your theories down below, comment section down, and tell me if it's real or not. Whoever gets the real or the right, no wait. Whoever gets the real most is real or most is not real. We're saying it's not or it is. So we don't look. Just look at that closely. You saw that red face. You saw that black face. And that was really scary, man. Alright, so there's not a reaction video. Again, it's not a reaction video. Alright. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave your theories down below because I want to read them so we can understand if it's real or not. Yeah. Just the Killer sighting. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what to say, man. I don't know. I'll just leave a thumbs up. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.